All right, check it out. We are going to be cracking open 2019 Walmart exclusive Tomica Diecast on
Hot Wheels Collectors Hawaii.
Okie doke. So if you like our videos, and we do hope you do, because that's why we do them, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell on the top. That way you get brand new notes on all the new videos that we put up as soon as they come out. All right, so this is the first time we're breaking open one of these. It's a Tomica, a Walmart exclusive, like we said, and the packaging looks like that was expensive.
Yeah. So yeah, Tomica's available in Japan if you buy them from Japan stores in the US, and they're pretty expensive already, but Walmart had them. And I seen another guy, another YouTuber open them, Fireman.
Hey, so, Fireman Food. All right.
Once I saw him open or find these, and I wanted to go look for them because I do like Tomicas.
Yeah.
They're very high quality. To get them here, you get them at $7 or $8 at like Don Quixote stores. So,
dude, everything down here is expensive.
Yeah. Well, if coming from Japan, it's a little more expensive because I think there's tariffs, taxes that are put on them.
Even on hamburgers, because you know the hamburgers in Burger King in the mainland is actually $6. Over here, $9, and they lie. Okay, we pop ground ball. Okay,
let's open this. Take a look at it. Some of the reviews that I've heard so far are that these are not the same quality.
That just took off the cardboard.
I know.
Did you watch how Fireman opened his?
No, he didn't buy them. Oh, here you go.
Oh, right there. Oh, okay, not too bad.
Yeah, not
See,
bad.
this is a learning in progress, Kat.
So let's take the car out before I drop it. So this is the Mazda CX-5.
Paint job is pretty nice.
Yeah. So strategically, I did pick this one. There are several different models that they released, like a Prius, a GTR, but I don't have those to compare to. They also sold this
French fries.
Truck, so I like that one. That's kind of weird, but I do like that one.
That is.
So it does come with this collector box, I guess.
Yeah. The fact that it comes with a box is pretty cool.
Yeah.
But also, I mean, like, they're not making the clear box, but then again, you can't put that on it. So.
Actually, they do. I mean, these are the collector box. I mean, I use these to put the loose ones in and display.
Oh, no way, it fits?
Yeah, these are designed for...
Oh, cool, bro.
Yeah, remember
I thought you were going to put the car in there, not the whole box.
Oh, no, this is for the whole box. This is to keep that box in good condition.
Yep, that's us collectors. we gotta buy a protector to protect the blister, the box of the actual toy. Not the toy itself.
Not the toy itself.
But the box and the blister packet.
Because we're gonna do a video coming up on why you should crack open your cars. I'll show you what the wheels look like when they react to the plastic. So I bought a set of old Johnny Lightnings, and I looked at all the wheels. And they're all melting to the plastic. So we'll do that on the next one or upcoming video. But this is the Mazda CX-5. We have this one in red. It does have a rear opening door.
It's better for that amount.
Yeah, we did spend, I think it was $572 plus.
Yeah, that's not cheap, man.
Right. Signature Tomica cars come with axles.
That's cool. It got shocks on this puppy.
It does have a plastic base, and it does say that these are made in Vietnam. Okay, so the comparison one, that in the back, is another CX-5 that I bought while I was in Japan. And this is a police version of the CX-5. And it does have the same
shocks,
axles, and it does have the rear opening door.
Oh, nice.
So let's look at those side by side.
You some bang on cop car, bro. We're going to get in trouble.
They can chase us down with that.
I know.
So it does have the rear opening door. I didn't notice the paint job on the white one, black and white one, because it's black and white. But since this one is red, you can see that the paint is not very good in the seam there. So did they paint it with the door on? I don't know.
But you do know, like, if they did chase us. And if the car went faster than 108 miles, they won't give chase. I learned that from Fast and the Furious.
In Japan. Squirrel.
Squirrel.
So this is this one I did buy in Japan when I went on vacation. So you notice it does have the same wheels.
Yeah.
As the other one. It does have a plastic base.
I don't understand. Like everything else is good, but they put a plastic base.
Yeah.
I don't get that. Like,
well,
like,
this is their main line.
Okay, so they got to make it cheap somehow, right? Yeah.
One,
Okay.
yeah. So Tomica does have their premium version, which comes in a black box, and then they have their Tomica Limited Vintage, which is not designed to fit the box.
Ah.
Right. This one and the premiums are designed to fit the box. The TLVs are scaled down from real vehicles. So if you put the Mazda CX-5 next to this, look at this truck. Next to this truck,
Yeah.
in the TLV version, this car will be way smaller than that.
Yeah.
But because they sized this one to fit the box, this one is not true to 1/64 scale.
And true, because in Japan they do have an actual rig that hauls around massive amounts of French fries.
Yep. And they call it the Giga Potato.
Giga Potato.
Yeah.
Giga Potato net. Okay.
So
Okay,
yeah, so those are the Mazda CX-5s. Let's bring that back in. Sorry. In my opinion, they look like the same. I mean, they have headlights painted. Detail.
It's not so aerodynamic, their cop cars, if that's what they actually look like.
Oh yeah, they actually do.
Because it's like, I mean, I may be because it's got that fin and it can go, but I mean, it's like really tall and.
I think they put the elevated light bars because they're putting signs.
Oh, maybe
increased visibility. That's not the only one I got too. Let me take out the other versions of traffic caution vehicles. They have a van like this. These back. There's a van like this.
Oh yeah, it has the same scoop.
So, and their police vehicles. I think this is a Toyota Crown. Let's move that out of the way. Also has that slightly elevated.
Yeah, slightly. That would look a lot better though. I'd rather drive that.
In Japan, I mean, they focus a lot around safety, so these vans may be out on the road with the lights flashing, the sign saying move, but they also got a guy in the road standing where the cones start, directing you out of that lane. I thought that was absolutely nuts.
Yep.
I'm not standing there.
No, you don't know what guys is like, hey, do we eat something?
Yeah. Oh, was it a speed bump?
Oh, I don't know. The truck's still over there, so we good.
No,
okay.
No, that was Michiko.
That was Mizuno. You took him out.
So, I wanted to pull these out. I bought these. These are fantasy, I'm assuming, cars because I've never seen a hamburger that big. Or
there was a hamburger that big. That's what I'm tripping out on that freaking cup of noodle, bro.
Yeah.
And it's the
and it's
get the noodles inside. Sure. But you know, it kind of reminds me of a toilet. But that's okay.
Yeah. But there's a little window. That's where the driver sits.
That's funny as hell.
That it's a fantasy car, but it looks like it's a real car.
It's probably like some kind of advertisement for a cup of noodle. But
yeah,
how the hell would like even the mainland know what cup of noodle is? You know what I mean? And everybody in college knows what that is. Yeah, because everybody's eating it.
Yeah. Well, I think they probably just call it cup noodle.
Yeah, cup noodle.
We call it cup of noodle.
Yeah, because that's what it says on the box.
What we call it. But yeah, that's Walmart exclusive Tomica. That's this one here, and this one is Tomica from Japan.
Are you gonna open the other one?
Oh yeah, the French fry one.
Yeah, see, we gotta get the French fry with the hamburger, and then we gotta eat the cup of noodle, right? And we gotta just get that. Oh, see, that's a lot easier now, right there.
Well, now I know how to open it.
Yeah.
Well, not really. There you go. Let's get that truck out of there.
Yeah. So you just everything fly in the air.
Yep. And here we gotta go and cut and.
Yeah. There you go. Wow, that's a lot of French fries, bro.
Yeah. Can you imagine
that's a lot of French fries.
Okay, so I just noticed something since I took this box out, and let me throw this rubbish that way. But remember how we said
the box is thicker, yeah.
This box is a little bit bigger.
Oh yeah.
Than the regular car one. But I still like my French fry truck. Look at that. Look at that trailer, it works.
You gotta know how to.
I digress.
So they can just cut that up. They can cut the burger up.
Yep.
And then grab a fry, and then you'd be good.
Hey, isn't this a special at one of our local, right?
Yep, right there.
Terry Burger and
Terry Burger French fries we sign in by, yep.
Right. We can just get a large fry.
That almost looks like the nacho fries. Man, we're like giving so much people props right now.
But you know what? McDonald's in Japan, they had seasoned fries, which is like a teriyaki.
Oh, really?
With black sesame seeds on it. It was really good. It was not my favorite, but it was good.
At least it's something different, man. Okay, so there we go. Tomica, Walmart, 2019. And you know what? Now I want to eat a burger, get some French fries, and wash it down with a hot cup noodle. Or as we say in the Hawaii, cup o noodle. All right, so don't forget to like and share the videos with your friends, families, and weird people that you see eating licorice, okay? We are
Hot Wheels Collectors Hawaii.
Also, new viewers, mucho mahalos for stopping by and checking out our videos. We welcome you and we thank you. But also check out the end screens and you'll see links to our previous videos, a video that YouTube thinks you'll like, and a video that we think you'll like, all right? So stay there, don't go nowhere. We got more stuff coming up, all right? Shoots.